NEM is a distributed digital money stage. It is written in Java and JavaScript and utilizes 100% unique code. NEM presents the model for wide dispersion and adds new utilitarian elements to the blockchain innovation utilizing the verification of significance calculation. NEM additionally offers an incorporated distributed encoded informing framework, multi-signature accounts, and the eigentrust++ notoriety framework. The NEM Open Alpha test started on June 25, 2014, trailed by a long and extensive beta test on October 20, 2014, and the last form of NEM was delivered on May 31, 2015. In 2016, NEM bounced in cost and became one of the biggest cryptographic forms of money by market capitalization. While the blockchain business was battling the Dow, a few Japanese banks concurred with NEM to make an installment framework on the blockchain. What's in store from NEM Digital Money? Figure out the NEM conjecture for 2022 to 2030 with Crypto Vault. NEM value investigation. As indicated by the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of NEM is $3 cents, and XEM is as of now position No. 94 in the whole crypto biological system. The core supply of NEM is 8,999,999,999 XEM, with a market cap of $286,602,851.88. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, XEM has been in a decent vertical pattern, hence expanding by 9.34%. NEM has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. Inside the last month, the cost of XEM has diminished by 3.52%, disposing of an incredible typical amount of $0 its ongoing worth. This unexpected drop implies that the coin is in a plunge at the present time, so it tends to be a decent purchasing and open door for speedy speculation. NEM major worths. NEM computerized cash was effectively evolved in 2016. The unmistakable elements on which improvement need is set are the accompanying variables. Internationality. This digital currency has gotten acknowledgement and conveyance in Japan. Notwithstanding, the further plans of the designers incorporate admittance to Asian and world business sectors. Implemented usefulness and advancements effectively support decentralization and obscurity. Fair dispersion of mined coins and monetary autonomy of clients. The NEM calculation is composed without any preparation and depends on open source. The digital money has a place with the second era of computerized cash and uses JavaScript as a programming language. The calculation utilizes the first convention, which guarantees decency in the circulation of commission coins. The first advancement of NEM engineers is 2 innovations. Proof of significance convention. Confirmation of hub significance. Eigentrust gives the standing and significance of the hub. The 2 advances work in close interconnection with one another. Eigentrust structures a standing framework that recognizes the most significant and solid hubs and wipes out questionable and malignant ones. This innovation upholds the solidness and security of the NEM blockchain. NEM Value Expectation 2023. As per the specialized examination of NEM costs expected in 2022, the base expense of NEM will be 4 cents. The greatest level that the XEM cost can reach is 5 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 4 cents. XEM value conjecture for 2023. In light of the value variances of NEM toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical XEM pace of 4 cents in 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at 4 cents and at 5 cents. Separately, 2024 NEM value gauge. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the XEM cost in 2024. The base exchanging cost may be 6 cents, while the most extreme could reach 7 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of NEM may be around 6 cents. XEM value conjecture for 2025. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of NEM in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal XEM rate they foresee may be around 9 cents in 2025. It can drop to 9 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 11 cents. 2026 NEM value estimate. Around mid-year 2022, the XEM cost will be exchanged at 13 cents by and large. 2026 could likewise observe an expansion in the NEM worth to 16 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 13 cents in 2026. XEM value figure for 2027. Crypto specialists have dissected NEM costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to 2027, 20 cents. The least and pinnacle XEM rates may be 19 cents and 23 cents. 2028 NEM value estimate. Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the XEM cost will be around 29 cents. In 2028, the NEM cost might drop to at least 28 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 35 cents in 2028. XEM value figure for 2029. Having dissected NEM costs, digital currency specialists expect that the XEM rate could arrive at a limit of 49 cents in 2029. It may, nonetheless, drop to 42 cents. For 2029, the gauge normal of NEM is almost 43 cents. 2030 NEM value gauge. Around mid-2022, the NEM cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 67 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in 2030, the XEM cost could change somewhere in the range of 65 cents and 74 cents. XEM value figure for 2031. Market specialists expect that in 2031, the NEM worth won't dip under at least 90 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.16. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 93 cents. 2032 NEM value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of XEM costs all through 2022. For 2032, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of NEM will be around $1.60, with a chance of dropping to at least $1.36. In 2032, the normal expense will be $1.40. NEM value forecast 2024. After the examination of the costs of NEM in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of NEM will be around 6 cents. The most extreme expected XEM cost might be around 7 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 6 cents in 2023. NEM value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of NEM, in 2024, XEM is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 9 cents and 11 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 9 cents. NEM value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of NEM and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base XEM cost could drop to 13 cents, while its greatest can reach 16 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 13 cents. NEM value forecast 2027. In view of the examination of the expenses of NEM by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least XEM costs are normal in 2026, 23 cents and 19 cents. By and large, it will be exchanged at 20 cents. NEM value forecast 2028. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of NEM. In view of their forecasts, the assessed typical XEM cost will be around 29 cents. It could drop to at least 28 cents, yet it actually could reach 35 cents all through 2027. NEM value forecast 2029. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan estimates at the cost of NEM. It is assessed that XEM will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 42 cents and 49 cents in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around 40